I am Andy Kirk and I'm a retired builder. I noticed a problem to start with when I'm walking my dogs. I'd walk for about 15 minutes and then it would start giving me too much pain. And I'd got to have a rest and then I'd walk a bit more and then it'd give me more pain. Probably have to have 2 stops on the way back. And if I were working on a ladder, it would give me pain just by being in the same position for a long period of time. At night, if I were asleep, and you'd wake up with pain in your hip and you've got to get into a different position and it interrupts your sleep every night. It just generally ruined things. With the first hip, the referral process where I went up and I went to physio and I was referred to the treatment centre. The second one, because they already knew I'd got hip problems, they referred me straight to the treatment centre. When I went up for the initial examination up there, they gave me all the leaflets and what exercises to do and everything, all the paperwork to go with it. So yeah, all the information was there. My first impression of the treatment centre was very professional, very good. I'd already had one hip done there, but when I went the second time I knew what to expect, but excellent again. All the facilities, the food, the care, the cleanliness, the parking, everything was very good. I felt very relaxed. No problem whatsoever. When I'd had the surgery, the recovery was really quick. After 2 weeks, I could walk about, no problem, didn't use the crutches. The aftercare following surgery was very good. They phoned up to make sure I were okay. I went back for the post-op assessment and everything was fine, but I had no problems whatsoever. I've got back to more or less doing everything that I did before. The only difference is I'm walking a lot further now. I can walk 10 miles, no problem, and hills and steep banks are no problem to me now at all. I've had no aches, no pain, no nothing. I don't get any twinges or anything now. If, when I had my first hip done, day case surgery was available, I would have definitely gone for it, especially knowing what I know now. The operation and the care and everything I received at the treatment centre was excellent. I can't thank them enough. I would recommend day case hip surgery. I think it's an excellent choice. I can't think of anything that had made it easier. It were bang on.